Hi everyone, this is Frances Carls, and this is my second video in our Accessibility Options video series for students, installing and using the Chrome extension Read Aloud. Now my first video was about another Chrome extension that uses Microsoft's Immersive Reader to read information off of websites. It's great, I really like it. Read Aloud is another option though, because there are some things that Microsoft Immersive Reader extension will not read. Things like PDFs that open up in Chrome. So I'll show you how to download it and use it. Again, we go to the Chrome Web Store. You can get to the Chrome Web Store through Googling Chrome Web Store. And then you need to search for Read Aloud. And it's this extension right here that says Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice reader. So we will click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. It's been added. I can go back and remove it later if I'd like to. So to show you what this is good for, I have a PDF that's open in Chrome. So Microsoft Immersive Reader does not work well on PDF files like this, even though they're open in Chrome. So when I go to Microsoft Immersive Reader, help me read this, nothing happened. It does not recognize this as a website, so it doesn't work with it. So that's why you might want another option. With Read Aloud, you would, again, highlight the text and right-click or two-finger tap on a Chromebook and select Read Aloud Selected Text. I'm going to actually just do a smaller part because one of the things about this is there's no way to stop the Read Aloud once it gets going. It will read to the end of the highlight. So when you're doing this, if you use a PDF, I would recommend doing a sentence at a time, just because you can't stop it. It doesn't have as much functionality as Immersive Reader, but it does work with PDFs. So to show you this, right-click or two-finger tap on a Chromebook, Read Aloud Selective Text.
Now, 6 years later, Michelle was attempting to capture a sunset for a local photography contest. She groaned as storm clouds rolled in before the sun had a chance to cast its vibrant colors across the sky.
So you can see it just automatically started reading the text. It does not show you word by word like Immersive Reader, and it continues until you get to the end of the highlighted text. But in cases where Microsoft Immersive Reader extension will not work, like the case of this PDF, this is another option. There's not as much functionality with this, but it will do the job.